Hey there! So, we have a bit of a challenge on our hands with this problem. The main issue here is that we want to enable users to open a menu by right-clicking on the mouse and then be able to change the color of a specific bar on a chart. Now, the initial attempt to achieve this by setting the mouse button to trigger the menu was unsuccessful. Now let's delve into the solution. The workaround involves detecting right-click events using the mouse down and mouse up events. By keeping track of the timing between these events, we can identify a right mouse button click. The provided code snippet shows how to implement this logic for the series background of a chart. This allows us to capture the right-click action and trigger the desired menu based on the timing of the events. Building upon the previous solution, we can further enhance the functionality by applying the same approach to individual bars on a bar chart. By iterating through each bar and implementing the mouse event listeners, we can achieve the desired behavior of detecting a right-click specifically on a bar. This way, users can interact with the bars and trigger actions such as changing the color to red as requested. To sum it all up, we've explored a workaround to enable right-click functionality on elements within a chart, such as the series background and individual bars. By utilizing mouse down and mouse up event listeners along with custom logic, we can detect right mouse button clicks and implement corresponding actions. With these insights, you're now equipped to enhance user interactions and customization options within your chart components. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy charting!